How to delete admin on Facebook page. Open the Facebook app. Go to Profile and switch to the Facebook page. Wait for a while. On Facebook page, click on the 3 lines at the top. In the menu bar, scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Go to Page Settings. Scroll down. Click on Page Access. You can add and remove admin here. Type your password here. Click Confirm. That's how you can remove admin on Facebook page. That's all from today. If you really liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out an update. Thanks for watching.